Hello, my name is Ken. In this video, I'll explain how to enable the autocomplete rules functionality. The autocomplete rules feature is hidden by default. To enable autocomplete rules, you must first create a service request to obtain a key. You will submit your use cases for the rules you want to implement in the autocomplete program application. It is important to note that only rules approved by Oracle are supported by Oracle. Customers get the keys once they are approved. They get approved if at least one submitted use case is approved. Next, once you get a key, you must create the profile option HCM underscore business underscore rules underscore editor underscore enabled. Enable the profile option at the site level and the user level if desired. Then you will set the profile value for HCM underscore business underscore rules underscore editor underscore enabled to the key value you get back from the approved service request. To create a service request to access the autocomplete rules tool, you must follow these steps. In My Oracle Support Cloud Portal, navigate to the Cloud tab for MOS. For the product, select Oracle Fusion Global Human Resources Cloud Service. For the problem type, choose Global Human Resources, then Page Customization. And for the flow, choose Design Studio Autocomplete. Then you will need to follow the instructions provided in the service request to complete it. It is important to note that the email you provide during the service request creation process is used to send user account, password reset, and other notifications from the autocomplete program application. For more information on requesting a key, view Enabling Autocomplete Rules feature starting with Release 21B and My Oracle Support. Oracle Support initiates the internal processing of the service request. Oracle will provision a user account for the autocomplete program application. The autocomplete program application is available outside the Oracle network. An email is sent to the point of contact, customer, or partner indicated on the service request. You will submit your autocomplete rules use cases at this time. Ideally, it is recommended that all customers who utilize the autocomplete tool work with a partner. All use cases must be submitted online using the autocomplete program application. For more information on submitting your use cases, reference the autocomplete program application guide document in the Submit Your Use Cases topic found on Cloud Customer Connect. Use cases submitted through emails or Excel files outside of the autocomplete program application will not be accepted. Oracle will only support the implementation of the autocomplete rules for approved use cases. When creating your use cases for submission, keep in mind that autocomplete rules can only be applied to mobile responsive user interfaces. Once your use cases are approved, you will receive approval keys in the autocomplete program approval, the instructions on how to enable the autocomplete rules tool, and details on methods to request any additional information. Once you have your keys, navigate to Setup and Maintenance, then Manage Profile Options to create a new profile option to enable the Autocomplete Rules tool. For the profile code, enter HCM underscore business underscore rules underscore editor underscore enabled. For the profile display name, enter Enable Business Rules Editor. For the application, select Global Human Resources. For the module, select Global Human Resources. In the description, enter a description that indicates the profile option is used to control the visibility of the autocomplete rule tool. For example, enable the visibility of the autocomplete rules tool in the HCM Design Studio. For SQL validation, you should leave this field blank. Once you save the profile option, you need to enable it at the site level. If you want to, you can set the level at the user level too. you must select Updatable for the levels you enable. To set the profile option value for the profile option you just created, navigate to the Manage Administrator Profile Values page in Setup and Maintenance. Then search for that profile option code HCM underscore business underscore rules underscore editor underscore enabled. Enter the key for the service request in the profile value field. Enter the value for each level you enabled on the profile option, site, and user if selected. It is important to note that the key is valid for one instance. If you want to use the key in a test and then a production environment, you must reset the key if you copy or refresh the environment. Remember, the Autocomplete Rules tool is hidden until the profile option and the profile option value are created. Once they are created, you can see the Autocomplete Rules menu in the HCM Experience Design Studio under the Transaction Design Studio. The steps to request the key to enable the Autocomplete Rules tool are located in this document. They are the same that were discussed in this video. Now let's review the profile option. Access the Manage Profile Options page by using the global search in the Setup and Maintenance work area. Search for and select Manage Profile Options. In this environment, Autocomplete Rules has already been implemented. Therefore, instead of showing you how to create the profile option, we will review the existing one. The HCM underscore business underscore rules underscore editor underscore enabled profile option has been created to be enabled and updatable at the site level in this environment. If you wish, you can also enable it at the user level. Once you create your profile option, you will need to add the key from the approved service request to the profile option value. Search for and select the Manage Administrator Profile Values page. Since we already have autocomplete enabled in this environment, the unique key has been entered in the profile value field at the site level. This was the only level selected for this profile option. When you set your profile value, you will enter the unique key in the profile value field for each level you enabled on the HCM underscore business underscore rules underscore editor underscore enabled profile option you created. This concludes the explanation of how to enable autocomplete rules. Thanks for watching.